Hi, the other day we are at the kitchen trying to fix something underneath the sink and try to get to some area which is kind of hard to get to, and my husband was having a hard time to get the wrench in that awkward area, so he was saying that it would be nice. He has some crowfoot wrench, so I think I'm gonna get that for him as a present. So I just want to show you how I go about shopping for this wrench set. At this point I have no idea what it looks like, so I am going to be using my amazing cash machine here, which I have already installed on my browser. This is a Chrome browser, so I have the Google page up, so I'm typing in crowfoot wrench set and see what I found. Okay, I found on this page I can get it from Sears, 7.3% cash back, and from Harbor Freight, 8.6, and Northern Tool, 9.2%, and Granger for 8.0%. I have some good, so I've already kind of explore around before I make this video, so I know exactly where I want to go. But when you do shopping, you want to kind of check out each vendor, see which has the best price. So for this particular tool, you're able to do price comparison as well. So I have already decided to shop from Harbor Freight. As I pull down the menu, you see the 3 level of cashback: 2.6%, 6.6%, and 8.6%. And it's all entirely up to you which level of membership you want to start with. I'm for the most cashback, so I have the VIP membership, so I will get 8.6% cashback. So let's go to the store and see what we find. Okay, so we go to the store, and from a previous shopping, I already know this is the one I want. And so this is 7-piece 3.5-inch crowfoot wrench set, which I'm interested in. And on top of that, they recommend this particular Flex ratchet. So I am going to add this to my cart. And also I am going to add this to my cart. And then on top of that, I can go to the other place, see what I can. Oh, you see this menu on the top? So what I do is I activate cashback. See, it has a green check, and this amazing this magical toolbar turned green. Okay, and then I would go to the other website, Harbor Freight coupon. I see what any coupon available here. Oh, I have a broadcast link. That's not cool. Okay, it has a 20% coupon right now, promotion code for you. So I go there. And I get the coupon. You see the coupon code? I can get the coupon code right here. Then I go back to the shopping cart. And I enter this code here. Then apply. Then I have $3 off. So on top of the, so I have $3 off, and then when I go to proceed to checkout, and when I enter all these data in, I will get 8.5% off from my dubli back office. Isn't that wonderful? So I hope this is helpful to you. If you like what you see and you're interested to get the same privilege as I'm having, so to get cash back, you can click on the link below. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.